I am Erica Embacera.
I am Christian Darren Pato.
I'm Prince Lawrence Antonino.
Selection John Rodriguez.
And we are the Group 3.
Here is the step-by-step source code that we use to create SOS beacon in our Arduino project AP2. Before we use the void setup, let's set the integers to 13. Next is void setup. The name or the output that we use is kpin LED, as you can see in the codes. After setup, we're going to use digital write in void loops. Once you set your kpin LED high, it means on, and kpin LED low means off. And for the delays, after setting the highs and low or on and off, we are setting the seconds delay. 1000 is the equivalent for 1 second, so we use 2000 to get the 2 seconds delay in every blink. Before running your codes, make sure to check for errors and compiling it. Okay, so before the step-by-step SOS beacon, we go to our hardware designers. Materials that we're going to use are 2 male-to-male jumpers, 1 resistor, 1 LED light, breadboard, and your Arduino kit. First, find the 13th pinhole and insert your jumper cables on pinhole and ground. Pinhole, ground, and 13th hole. Then, after putting your jumper cables on the right pinholes, put the LED light with cables on both positive and negative sides. Then, before the output of SOS beacon, the resistor will do its own job to create the cycle of electricity based on your own codes. And here is the after credits to all of my group members who participated in AP2 or Arduino Project 2 SOS beacon.